Hi, and welcome to Launch Project 3. This week, we're going to work with your template, the copywriting on your site, and your pitch. With most website building platforms, you have the option to either choose a pre-existing template to work with, or you can use AI to build a template for you from scratch. Either of these work. I personally still like using pre-existing templates because they're built by professionals who have expertise in design and navigation, and they'll give you clues as to what kinds of functions a website in your specific industry is likely going to need to have. So, for example, if you're selling products, it'll have product description fields, reviews, a shop page, likely a return policy page. It might also have some features that you might not be ready to launch now, but that you might want to offer in the future. So, for example, maybe your template has an affiliate page or a community page or an events tab. Take a look at what features that template is suggesting you consider, because it might be something that you'll want to implement down the road. But for now, let's just start small and focused and super clear. The first and foremost quality that your website needs to have is clarity. That means it's not cluttered, it's super easy to navigate. The person looking at your website needs to know exactly what you're offering within a matter of seconds. They need to see quickly how to contact you and how to learn more about your services or products. Because if they can't, they're going to bounce out of your website and continue their search somewhere else. Confusion is a major buzzkill. So the goal is keep your information well organized, well named, and intuitive. So when you're looking at all your products or services that you want to offer and you're trying to figure out what's the best way to organize these into categories, if you're offering services that build upon each other, like maybe they start with stage 1 of this program and then they can add on stage 2 and stage 3, think about what's the best way for me to organize this information. If you're offering products that could be sold as bundles, how and where could you market those bundles? Essentially, you're trying to organize your information so that your navigation menu has a minimal amount of tabs and make sure that they're well named so that people know how to find what they're looking for. So if your navigation bar has like 12 tabs, it's time to incorporate some drop-down menus. And if you don't, it's just going to be super cluttered and it's going to look like a train wreck on your mobile devices. So again, use your template for guidance and refer back to your competitors' websites for clues on how to structure that information.